I have some exciting things I want to share with you today, as you can see. First thing I want you to look at is this flask full of green goo.
Is it for me?
You don't have to touch it, just look at it.
Oh.
This is green goo. And actually, as some of you can see, if you look real close, inside of here are little one-cell algae. This particular kind is called dinoflagellates. There they are, sitting right there. And what are they? They are the kind of algae that uses a chemical reaction to create light. These are the kind of algae that float around in the ocean and they actually light up of their own light. Now, these guys are actually alive, and I'm going to show you some pictures. It turns out that this is about the time they start waking up. They're on a cycle. When they're asleep, they don't do much, and when it's really light, they go to sleep. So I'm going to dim the lights here in a minute and see if we can get these guys to wake up. But I would like you to look at this particular video of what these one-cell organisms look like. You see these little guys swimming around here? These are individual little cells, and they are special because when they want to, they can mix chemicals together which give off a blue-green light. It's really quite beautiful, remarkable to see. And I want to show you a video clip of what you might see if you were to go out of the ocean at the right time, the right climate. Take a look at this.
Oh, look
Can you
at
see
that.
these waves coming in? They give off the color when they're disturbed.
Oh my.
So as they're stirred by the waves, you can see that beautiful color coming off. And they will swim in swarms around in the ocean.
I love it.
And scientists believe that one of the reasons that they have this capability, and they do this, they kind of do it in little bunches, is to drive off predators. Some fish are scared away when they flash their light, and if they're disturbed, they flash and hopefully it'll spook the fish and they'll run away. Other people say that also when they flash their light, big fish come in and drive off the little fish. So at any rate, it's kind of fun. Now here is an example of what this looks like up close. Can you see
Awesome.
a hand disturbing these little guys and kind of waking them up so that they are able to show them. Now remember, this is bioluminescence. These are living creatures, and they're giving off this beautiful, beautiful light when they're disturbed. And this happens naturally out in the ocean, and it also happens in our little sample here now.
I would like that to be my hand.
Okay, now I'm going to
So neat.
ask R51, who's helping us today by controlling the lights, I hope.
You trust him?
I'm sure. R51, could you please dim the lights so we can do our experiment here?
Nope.
R51, please dim the lights.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You know what? I don't think.
Dim the lights.
Oh,
Thank you.
look at
Thank
that.
you. Thank you.
You obeyed.
All right, so I'm sitting now here in the darkness. Let's see if I can get these guys to wake up.
Oh my, little.
You see
well,
that?
I saw it for a minute.
Yeah, they were kind of
that.
excited for a minute, weren't they? They're still asleep. Normally, they will glow quite beautifully. But while we got the lights dim, I have here some glass apparatus. This is actually a condenser. You can't see real well in the dark, but I'm putting on my
We're
safety
putting
glasses,
safety
setting a good example for all you scientists. I have 2 beakers in the dark full of 2 liquids.
Okay.
One of these is actually just dilute hydrogen peroxide, which is a source of oxygen, and the other is this magic chemical that these critters use to produce their light. I'm going to mix these together so you can see what happens. Here we go.
Oh my, oh, look at that. That is so, that's just fantastic. So amazing. Oh my goodness.
Let's see if we can send a little spot clear down here. Are you ready?
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, there's so fun. Look at that.
So you can see.
This is my kind of science. I like this.
This is your
Look
kind
at
of
that.
science, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is. I love it.
I feel just like one of these little organisms.
Look at that. That is so cool.
All right.
I love it.
Lights, please. Thank you. All right. Well,
That was
there you see it.
Fantastic.
So this gets more and more interesting because besides these little one-cell critters living in the ocean, there's another kind of animal, or I should say an insect, called a firefly that also creates light.
Yeah.
And they do it by this very same method, but they flash their light. They flash it for just a fraction of a second, then they'll go a while and they'll flash it again. Some people live out in the part of the country, like where I grew up, where they don't have any fireflies. And when I saw my first one, it was just thrilling to me to have a little insect with flashlights. And the way they do it is they have the chemical there that will fluoresce. It'll give off the light, but it needs oxygen.
Inside its body?
Inside it, in the case of fireflies, inside of its back abdomen. Okay? Mm-hmm. And so in order for the chemical to give off the light, it has to have oxygen. And the oxygen is constantly being absorbed by this insect in its normal activity. But when the insect gives off a little bit of nitric oxide, the mitochondria in all the cells that have been soaking up all that oxygen stop for a minute. And so the oxygen builds up and it fluoresces. It gives off the light.
Amazing.
So take a look at this video where you can see fireflies.
And that just happened. That just happened. That's amazing.
They are amazing, amazing, amazing creatures.
They're like Johnny's little fairies.
They are like Johnny's little fairies, but actually,
Or Dr.
turns
John,
out,
I should say.
these are guys looking for the ladies.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I guess only the guys do
And
it,
the
right?
light's how we do our magic.
I love it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's exactly how we do it.
That's just amazing.
Now, I want to show you just a real short clip. This is somebody that most of you are going to recognize. One of the great voices for science and for nature, and see what he says about all these kind of creatures.
Okay.
As dusk gives way to twilight, the encroaching darkness is lit by life.
These dancing lights around me are produced by fireflies, creatures that have the strange ability to produce light. They bioluminesce.
And fireflies are not alone. Scientists are finding ever more strange and wonderful glowing life forms all around the world. Living light has always fascinated me, and the discovery of more and more luminous creatures raises more and more questions. Why? What is the light for? And how is it made?
In recent years, scientists have begun to find answers to those questions. And in doing so, they've taken us into a world that is utterly unlike our own.
Nature is really amazing, isn't it? It's really exciting. And in science, we get to learn how nature does these things by studying them. And many of the great things we enjoy, we've actually learned from nature, from the universe. It's a wonderful thing.